Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 5 best documentaries on Netflix right now. Netflix has a bounty full of great documentaries that cover a diverse range of subjects from true crime to sports to even filmmaking. So, we have assembled a list of what we believe are the best documentaries on Netflix right now.
Worried about your family.
No matter what we did, it seemed like it was a story.
Scotty was
My Octopus Teacher. If you're looking for something soothing, uplifting, and oddly beautiful, you should check out Pippa Ehrlich and James Reed's lovely documentary, My Octopus Teacher. The movie follows filmmaker Craig Foster, who goes snorkeling off the coast of South Africa and encounters an octopus. He resolves to interact with the octopus every day and learn as much as he can about the creature. Throughout this stunning underwater photography, we see a magnificent and startling intelligent animal working its way to survive in a dangerous kept forest.
Strange thing. A lot of people say an octopus is like an alien.
American Murder, The Family Next Door. The Netflix original documentary American Murder, The Family Next Door is a harrowing, infuriating chronicle of the 2018 Watts family murders that uses social media posts, law enforcement recordings, text messages, and home videos footage to revisit the events that unfolded. It examines the disappearance of Shannon Watts and her 2 children, and the horrible events that followed us as her husband was questioned by police as to his potential involvement in her disappearance. The film largely keeps the focus on the victims, making it a standout amongst many true crime documentaries.
Hey guys, my name is Shanann. And then I met Chris. And he's the best thing that it.
High Score. The 6-episode docu-series High Score is one of the best documentaries Netflix have made thus far. This is an in-depth look at the origin story of video games as we know them, as told by the people who made them. It begins with a deep dive into the shift from arcade games to in-home consoles and chronicles everything from the game-changing arrival of the NES to how Sega built a strategy to challenge Nintendo. The Last Dance. You don't have to look basketball to be wholly enthralled and wowed by the 10-episode docuseries The Last Dance. Over the course of 10 years, the story of Michael Jordan's final season with the Chicago Bulls is juxtaposed with the story of his earlier life and career, and the careers of Bulls teammates like Scottie Pippen and Dennis Rodman. This flashing back and forth always keeps this interesting, contextualizing the 1997 and 98 Bulls season by filling in the blanks of what came before.
We want to.
Tiger King, Murder, Mayhem, and Madness. Each installment of the 7-episode docuseries Tiger King is crazier than the last, to the point that you may find yourself saying multiple times, well, surely things can't possibly get any weirder than this. He would be 100% wrong. Tiger King follows the exploits of Joe Exotic, a flamboyant and extremely confident owner of a private big cat zoo in Oklahoma. The story of Joe Exotic is stranger than fiction, involving lies, guns, and a bid of the US presidency and a murder for hire plot.
My name's Joe Exotic and this is Sarge.
Bumfuck, Oklahoma, who own 1,200 tigers and lions.
So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.